Hello everyone. Now let's talk about CIA Triad. In the CIA Triad, we have three things: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means that only the authorized user would be able to access the file. Integrity means that only the authorized users would be able to do the modification to that particular file. Unauthorized users are not allowed to have a change into it up in place. If they do, that would be a breach into the integrity. Availability means that whenever you want to access your own set of resources, it should be provided to you. And if it is not, in that particular case, that's a breach into the availability. So these are the three pillars we have when we talk about the information security: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. But with the change in time, now we have two additional pillars as well. One is called non-repudiation. Into the non-repudiation, in this case, a person cannot deny any kind of an action that he has done in the place. Let's suppose, for example, if there is a CCTV camera installed over near a shop in place, and some persons try to break the locker and open up that particular shop without proper authorization, in that case, a CCTV camera records it, and that particular person later cannot deny that he was not involved into it, because we have an evidence for that. That's what we have a non-repudiation. A person cannot deny that he has not performed this kind of an action. Then another new pillar we have is the authentication, where the system cross-verify who you say you are. And there are multiple different ways for the authentication part. There is biometrics involved into it. There is, your OTP involved into it as well, right? Okay. So different parameters are there through which your system really analyzes you and comes to this conclusion that, okay, who he say he is, right? It could be a retina scan, it could be OTP, it could be a one-time password, it could be your multi-factor authentication, it could be based upon your geolocation. A lot of factors could be involved into it, and based upon that, the systems come to the conclusion that who you say you are. And once the system is in full confidence that, okay, this is actually Amit, and it matches with the database it has, and it will be providing up the access. So guys, this is what we have into the CIA Triad.